Hello. So this is my first lawn forum video on my YouTube channel. So this video is to show you about how to make $250 in Red Dead Online. So what you want to do is you have to catch northern pike. You need a special river lure or a regular river lure or a special spinner. You go to here, this spot near Annensburg, right here. To get the full $240, you need a hunting wagon, which can hold 5 fish. Then you could get your horse and you could put another fish, so you could carry 6, and that equals up to $240 each. You could sell one fish for $40. So when you go back to Annensburg, fast travel all the way back to Valentine, sell your fish, and then come back here, and then you repeat the process when you have enough money for whatever you need. It's a fast way to make money. You could get $250 in under 10 minutes. You're welcome.